of me, my sister. Proud of me.
My
because
sister.
of what?
My sister.
My brother. How are you doing, my brother? Are you okay? I'm waiting you down in the building. You coming or no? Tell me, brother. I'm prepared of dinner. If you want fufu, I will make big fufu awaiting you from down building. It's me, are you coming or no? Let me know. It's Mizo, you are not here. Why are you going, my Mizo? I'm talking by myself. I will run away now. My brother, are you here?
Yeah.
I'm not here, my sister.
Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm here. I'm talking with you, my brother.
I'm here.
What is this? Oh?
Wait.
I said call me. I called you. I call you many times. You give me your number. You are not answering my Mizo. I'm going now. Ja, don't call me again. I'm not coming here.
Why you keep saying this, Mizo?
Because he's my country people. Why I'm not saying that? It's Mizo. You
That's
here?
the only that he gave from her, you know? That's the only he gave from her. My sister.
My brother, Ja, how are you doing, my brother? Are you good?
I'm good though. How about you?
You good though? Are you sure? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I'm not believing you, brother. Let me know. Ask. I am going ask.
Yeah.
My
sister.
Brother.
Do you know Ubulu Bangada?
I know that Ubulu Banga.
Yeah,
Tell me, brother.
He play football with Muzungu.
Oh, I'm proud of that guy. He's my brother, you know that?
He hit every time fufu, every morning.
That's why he's strong. Oh.
Yeah, that's why he's very strong. How do you know he's strong?
ጃክ ሆኖ ባለፈው አንዱ ገብቶ አስሬ ብራ ይሏል። ኧረ ሂድና ዘብርሃም ፈልግን እኔ ብሮ ነኝ ያለው።
No, I have a question for my sister. How you know Bulu Bangada he's strong?
I don't know if eating fufu.
No. How you know?
If somebody eating fufu, I mean now, for example, you see Sarai, I'm strong. I'm strong.
No, it means he eat fufu very much, but he's not strong.
He eat fufu?
Yeah, but
why he find fufu? Why he find fufu?
No, he eat fufu and he's not strong.
What is problem? Can I ask him, brother?
I don't.
Mizo.
My sister.
Hey, come on, please don't come to with
I only know
every time.
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, why? She keeps saying It doesn't work.
Even we can't with we can't go with
It's from. Yeah, why is that? Why it doesn't work with
sometimes we can't go with
My sister, it's working better with Why it doesn't work with
My sister, Sim. Do you see Abuki here?
Why is Abuki? Where are you?
Let me tell you. Let me tell you something about
Muslim.
Abuki.
I know him. I know. Where he's here?
No. He's a Muslim. He's Muslim, you know? And he eat fufu with injera. And he's the first
with
guy.
Injera.
Yeah,
can you call me? Can I talk to him now? How he doing like that? Why is he here now? Is it injera? What is injera mean?
Injera is Ethiopian pancake.
It's a popular injera from Ethiopia. I heard before that it's good though.
Yeah.
With fufu. He tried with fufu.
We don't know. He tried fufu with injera.
How?
Abuki?
Where is Abuki? Where he is? He's here.
Muslimo, Abuki.
He's a Muslim or is Abuki? Hey,
Yeah.
my brother.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
you doing
Talk
that?
to him, talk to him.
Where are you? Muslim, Abuki, how you eat injera? It is injera name? Is it, how you eat my fufu with injera? How do you try that? Brother.
ማውራቱን ላቃተው እኮ
You know, Steve, by the way, you know, I ate fufu. I have here, you know, American, I have a Nigerian friend. Her name is Morika or something. So I ate it, but I don't like it.
The fufu name it in America is what the name?
It's the same thing. They call it fufu.
Fufu. It is
Yeah,
popular
the
from
same.
my Cameroon, from my
But
Baba country.
I mean, I'm sorry, but I don't like it. Wallahi.
Why you don't like? Don't say that, my
I mean,
sister.
the smell is
Why
weird.
you say
you know?
that?
The smell is so weird, so I don't like it.
Hey, if you make my sister with the fish,
እንጀራችሁን
hey,
ማስቀስ ብላችሁ
I
you know
ate
how to
that.
cook. You
Yeah,
know how
I-
to cook.
I don't know, but I tasted
That's why my sister.
Maybe,
It's not.
maybe.
It's made bad. Muslim, can I talk with him now? How is it?
Muslim.
You can't talk.
How is eating with injera? Ethiopian injera. How you try like that? Eh?
What is fufu?
Ah,
What is fufu?
even you don't know fufu, how you try your with injera?
ምን አለ
My brother,
You know,
Can
it's
you try
Nigerian
before?
food. Like,
Can you try
in-
before?
That is my culture.
injera is your culture. My fufu is my brand culture.
Don't be shy and answer our question. bro.
አንቺ ፉፉ ብቻውን እንዲተማርሹ
I don't like injera. What is injera? It's my country's.
I mean, she's right. You know, it's Nigerian favorite food is fufu. She's right.
Of course, fufu. This is my country. Lina, what she say?
ኢስላማዊ መለሶች